Every day is something different.
It's a good place to grow because they listen to you.
There's a lot of benefits for you to come here. There's a lot of growth. They're always looking for a talent like yours.
The Hartland facility manufactures flush syringes, PVP iodine bottling, surgical scrub brushes, disinfectant wipes, and shampoo and body wash products. We have several departments and a number of filling rooms in the facility that require a substantial number of folks to operate the equipment. What we're looking for in our hiring efforts at Hartland is people who have mechanical aptitude, strong work ethic, and a desire to do great things.
We have a lot of different individuals here, a broad spectrum of ages, races. It does not matter. Some that have machine background for 10, 15 years, some people have machine background for a couple months. Well, I came in with 0 machine operating experience. Became a lead, became a PM supervisor, and then production supervisor. There's plenty of growth opportunities here.
Every person is different. Every day you learn something. I love the people, I love everything.
Every person, no matter if different role, different level, have something to add at the company.
There's always opportunities in this building to go wherever you're interested in.
What we're making here helps save lives in the end.
I love coming to Medline every single day, and it's just one of the best work environments I've ever been in. If you're willing and able to learn new things and have the desire to excel, the sky is the limit.